Don't trade when you don't have the setup. Being patient is something that's very, very difficult to learn when you're trading, and oftentimes the market's not going anywhere, just like this morning. Lots of mixed green and red candles and no net change. We don't have a market tailwind. That means that the stock is going to have to do all the heavy lifting. So it took me about an hour and a half to find an opportunity. TCOM, I shorted this at 62.67. It was breaking below VWAP, but the daily chart was the real clue. And on a daily basis, you can see earnings after the close yesterday, stock gaps down, breaks below the 100-day moving average, and it tries to rally back, and it gets smacked right back down. You can see that rejection right in there. So it tries to get in the gap. Nice long green candle, followed by a bearish engulfing candle. Stock breaks below VWAP. This is where I entered the short, and you can see how it's continuing lower. So I don't have a market tailwind, but because the company announced earnings, it's got heavy volume and it's got institutional interest, and it's going to do all the heavy lifting on its own, and it should continue to drift lower. If I can get down to the low of the day, somewhere around 61.46, that'd be about a $1 gain, and it's got plenty of room down to the other major moving averages. So the trade has plenty of room to the 50-day and 200-day. I'm going to stick with it. I'm not going to get too aggressive with my target because I don't have a market tailwind. I'm going to check in a little bit later. We'll see how the trade fares.